everyone, this is Deepika. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about one of the most popular liquid lipsticks and also one of my most favorite liquid lipsticks in my collection, and they are the Smashbox Always On liquid lipsticks. I have 9 shades with me. I'm going to be talking about the formula, the pros, the cons, and also my favorite shades, and there's also a little surprise somewhere in between or at the end of this video, so stay tuned. These retail for $24 each. These are not cheap, and that was one of the main reason I stayed away from trying out these liquid lipsticks for very long time until Superwoman came out with the shade Boss. I didn't even look at this collection. So my thinking was I already have a lot of liquid lipsticks that I already like. I like the colors, I like the formula, they're much more cheaper. So why would I spend $24 on one liquid lipstick, right? But after hearing a lot about the formula, I thought I'll give them a try. Now you don't have to spend all $24 to get this. The best place to get these is from Ulta. They often have a 20% off coupon. The point system is amazing with Ulta. And also back then, I don't see that coupon right now, but back then they used to send out coupons specifically for Smashbox. And that's when I scooped a few of these for about $15. I like the standard packaging. It's plastic and it's a clear package, so you can see the color through it, and I like the square shape of it. When it comes to lipsticks, this shape works very well to store the lipsticks. I also have to talk about the applicator. This is a pointy applicator and it has a slit at the center, so when you take the product out, there's some product that gathers in that slit as well. So one dip is all you need to cover your entire lips, and also the tip actually helps with lining your lips perfectly. So I don't have to use any lip liner when I'm using this liquid lipstick, and I feel that is very convenient, and I really like the shape of the wand specifically. And the shade range is very good. I think they have about 25 or 30 shades. Most of them are regular shades that you see in other brands as well, but there are some unique shades as well. The shades that I have right here are all nudes, light pinks, deeper pinks with different undertones, but I'm actually eyeing on a couple of more shades. I shouldn't be getting more lipsticks, and that's why I'm stopping myself, but I'm looking to add a couple more shades because I really like the formula. Now coming to the formula, it is a opaque and kind of like a thick formula. It is not mousse, or it is not oily, or it is not a light formula. It is very pigmented formula, but it goes on very smooth on the lips. The formula doesn't feather out at the edges of your lips. It doesn't settle into the lines or cracks of your lip. It doesn't flake throughout the day. Once it's on, it stays put no matter what. It's a heavy duty formula that you cannot get off no matter what. You can only remove it after coming back home with the oil based makeup remover. Today's video I use this Pond's cold cream cleanser. This thing I keep in my makeup area for my swatches, but usually I take my makeup off with either grapeseed oil or coconut oil, and that's the way to remove these liquid lipsticks. These are heavy duty, very long wearing, and stays put. And even though this is a matte formula, it does not feel uncomfortable. Yes, it is slightly drying. I want to say slightly, but it's not at all uncomfortable. This is a very intense matte formula that looks matte, and it also feels matte, and it's not sticky on the lips. As you can see, it's not sticky, and it is transfer proof as well. It's fully transfer proof, and like always with any liquid lipsticks, you will have to exfoliate your lips. If you have dry patches or flaking skin on your lips, any liquid lipstick will cling on to that dry patches. So for any liquid lipstick, you will have to have smooth lips, and that goes with these liquid lipsticks as well. Now the biggest disappointment, and the only disappointment I have with this liquid lipsticks, is they dry out pretty quickly. If you are somebody who visits your lipsticks every 2 weeks or a month, then you won't have that issue. But with me, I have a very big collection, and I usually don't visit each and every of my lipstick every month or every 2 months. So when a lipstick goes into my drawer, it takes me about like 3 or 4 months to go and touch that lipstick again. or even more sometimes, and that's what happened to these liquid lipsticks as well. So a lot of my colors actually dried out a bit. I could still apply, they are going on smooth, but then one color which is my all-time favorite, and I'm so devastated while I'm swatching in this video, it is Girl Gang. It is pretty much dried out. So my makeup is in the basement, and that's why it's actually cold. It could be that reason that they've become, you know, thicker, but I'm going to bring this upstairs and see if the formula gets better, because gosh, $24, and this is one of my favorite color. I was looking forward to using this color in summer. This is a very nice purpley pink color. Another shade that broke my heart is Slay Tan. I opened this shade right now for this video. I got it a few months back, but then I never used it. So once I opened it, it was already dry. So that's one major disappointment with this liquid lipstick. If you use these liquid lipsticks, do let me know your experience with them drying out or not. So that's what I have to say about these liquid lipsticks, and let's move on to the swatches. The first shade is called Big Spender. I got this shade purely by Antariksha's recommendation. I leave the link to her channel in the description box below. She raves about it, and this is such a gorgeous pinky nude color. The next shade I have here is a beautiful mauve color. It's called Spoiler Alert, and I really like that dusty purple undertone to it, and it's a beautiful mauve shade. Next one I have here is a very popular shade. This is called Driver's Seat. It is a beautiful corally nude color. The next shade I have here is called Babe Alert, and it's a beautiful light corally nude color, and it works better if I use it with a deeper lip liner. The next shade I have here is called Stepping Out. It's again a gorgeous nude color. It's light on my skin color, and it definitely works better if I pair it with a deeper lip liner. The last nude shade I have here is called Slay Tan. I got this shade after seeing on Shams from Shams Makeup Artistry. I will leave the link to her channel in the description box below. This is quite an unusual undertone for a nude lipstick, but it works beautifully for my skin color, especially with the right eye makeup. So it doesn't go with the eye makeup that I have on right now, but then with a kohl eyeliner and also this lip shade with a deeper lip liner or even a gloss on top would work beautifully with my skin color. The next shade I have here is called Girl Gang. I had so much love for this lip color. I just love it. Purples are one of my favorite lip colors, and if it has this much of pink in it, it is very flattering on my skin color. It is dried out unfortunately, but I will try to revive it and use it up. But it's a gorgeous pinky purple color that looks very rich on the lips. The next one I have here is called Throwback Jam. It's a very popular shade, and also it's a very loved shade for a lot of my clients. A lot of my brides actually tend to choose this color, and it's a beautiful pink color. It looks very rich, especially on Indian outfits. It looks gorgeous, and yeah, it's definitely a must-have shade. The last shade I have here is called Misconduct, and in the tube it looks like a deep maroon color, but then on the lips it gave a little bit of pink or berry undertone to it. It's very beautiful when applied on the lips. So those are all the 9 shades swatched on my lips. It took me 45 minutes to swatch these colors on my lips, so do hit that thumbs up button for the effort. So, and finally I want to share these 4 mini liquid lipsticks with you guys, and 3 of these are metallic liquid lipsticks, and I am personally not into metallic finish lipsticks, so there's no point in me trying these for you guys. So I thought one of you would enjoy. So if you like using metallic liquid lipsticks, do comment below if you want these. And also I have this mini size of the shade Driver's Seat that I swatched in this video. These shades are Man Eater, and then this is called Rust Fun, and this one is called Exo Vlada. This is from the Vlada collection, and this one is Driver's Seat that I swatched in this video. So these are the 4 shades that you'll be getting. So do hit on the thumbs up button. Please be subscribed to my channel. Also do comment and let me know which of the 9 shades that I swatched you liked. So those are my thoughts on the Smashbox always on liquid lipsticks. If you think this video is helpful to you guys, please don't forget to hit on the thumbs up button, and also do subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Instagram. I'm Deepikamakeup, and I will see you all very soon in my next video. Bye.